Ask you about the dollar, which, as I mentioned, is at a record low this week, which fuels inflation and our dependence on foreign money. You and the president say, and this has become kind of a mantra over previous administrations as well, that the strong dollar is in, quote, our national interest. Why not take a more aggressive stance and support a stronger and stable dollar and even implement policies to prop up the dollar?
Well, I'm going to step back and say a strong dollar is in our nation's interest. Our long-term fundamentals in this country, economic fundamentals, are strong. Our economy has its ups and downs like any other economy, but I believe that that long-term strength is going to be reflected in the dollar. And to get to your point, the president has policies. We are advocating very strongly policies that are going to increase confidence in the U.S. economy and make our economy stronger over time, keep it stronger over time. And you know what those policies are. It's pro-growth tax. It's being open to foreign investment. It's embracing and welcoming trade. That's why we're working so hard to get Congress to accept the Colombia Free Trade Agreement.
But very briefly, and because we've only got about 30 seconds left, you're not going to change your stance and push more aggressively for a stronger, increased value dollar.
Well, I don't know how we can be any stronger in saying that a strong dollar is in our interest, and we're going to keep pressing. Everything I'm doing when I'm here, Chris, is to make the U.S. economy more competitive, stronger, minimize. You asked me about the Bear Stearns situation. I think actions like that, anything we can do to enhance confidence in our marketplace, in our capital markets, in our economy, are the policies that increase confidence in our economy over time.
We've seen the dollar hit record lows against the yen and the euro this week, yet you and others in the administration continue to maintain that we have a strong dollar policy. But the dollar's not strong now, is it?
George, what we've said is that a strong dollar is in our nation's interest, and it most certainly is. Our economy, like any other, has got its ups and downs. We've repeatedly said that our long-term economic fundamentals are strong, and I know they are, and that they're going to be reflected in the value of our currency. And what we're doing is working hard to promote economic policies that are going to enhance confidence in our economy, in our nation's economic policies, pro-growth tax policies, open investment policies, open trade policies. That's why we're pushing so hard to have Congress take up the Colombia Free Trade Agreement.
Okay.